How to leave group in Facebook Lite. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook Lite. And once you do that, go to the group that you want to exit. Say for example this one right here. Once you're there, under the group name you will see a button that says joined, and it has drop down, so click on it. It will give you a pop-up menu list at the bottom. Click on leave group, and it will give you a confirmation box that asks you, are you sure you want to leave, and it tells you what will happen. Click on leave group to confirm, and once you do that, you will exit the group. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can exit groups or leave a group in Facebook Lite. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.